Thank you. Oh, nice. Thank you too. Thank you. We're in the red. All the money could buy from me the days that I have a band. No amount of money could buy me go back. Hello. Here comes Subadoosh. Woohoo! Yep. Smoked plate covers. Marked a douchebag. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ah, you bastard! Yeah. Ah, you bastard! For Christ's sake. Stop! Yes, they're beeping at you, stupid. Go! Thanks, you shithead. We're in the red, of course. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Yes, you! It's not a lane. One Lextard, two Lextards. No, screw you. Anybody read these fucking signs? No. Lextard again. Lextard again. Cut off. Miracle. Oh God, what the fuck? Whoa, hi. How are we holding you up, Mr. Toyo Turd? Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Jeep, move over. Yeah, you asshole. Breathe. Ooh, slow down, move over. Moved over this time. Yay! Should have done it last time. What the fuck is this? Christ's sake, dude. I mean, nice seizure lights. Thank you. Slow down, move over again. Ew, idiots.
Take the exit on the right.
But, you're on the wrong side of the road, shithead. What the hell? Yellow line is on your left at all times. Ninny van. Go! Go, 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 you moron! It's Red Princess. Thank you. No, that's not a right turn there, lady. Toyo turd. Truck shoes right lane. I know nobody's using it but me. Are you ready for the circuit? Sad except regret. Wait, he went straight from the... Yeah, the guy went straight from the turn lane. Hold on. Yeah, okay. I don't miss doing what I used to do. Hi! Yeah. Get off. Room, thank you. Stop!
Continue straight.
Right, masshole. Huh? He rolled that because you were sitting there for a friggin' hour, you moron. And you're supposed to stop, period. Hey, hello, hello. Minivan.